sometimes I can talk. Oh, I'm gonna need a fucking second phone for drug dealing, because I need a fucking phone to play music for and a fucking phone to record the music that their fucking phones play. Or I've got a little recorder. I could record something and play it, and then fucking play something along to that. But anyway. Oh, I'm warming down. I gotta. There. I'll show you why I'm so worried. This is the old one. I had quite a few. I fucking can't remember what I've done. It's it's all cracked here and cracked here. It's been drilled out before. So it's pretty nice though. It's still pretty good. Look, it's a little fucking Chinaman's hat. Ni hao, ni hao, come lao sure. Very good.